Good day people, welcome to my channel, How To, where I teach you about my hobbies as well as random things I know and am passionate about. For today's video, how to use the 8 parts of speech. The 8 parts of speech in English are the basic categories of words based on their function in a sentence. Nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections are the 8 parts of speech. Noun, a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples include dog, an animal, John, a person, Boracay, a place, and Christmas, an event. Nouns in a sentence. John frequently talked in his sleep. The dog is barking. Christmas is the best holiday. Boracay is beautiful. Pronoun, a word that replaces a noun to avoid repetition. Examples include he, she, they, it. Pronouns in a sentence. He frequently talked in his sleep. I don't like reading. It is extremely boring. She is beautiful. Verb, a word that expresses an action or state of being. Examples include run, think, eat. Verbs in a sentence. John is talking. I am thinking of her. He is running for his type. Adjective, a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. Examples include beautiful, tall, and happy. Adjectives in a sentence. John is tall. The dog is happy. My girlfriend is beautiful. Adverb, a word that describes a verb, adjective, or other adverb. Examples include quick, graceful, and extreme. Adverbs in a sentence. John quickly fell asleep. She danced gracefully. The dog is extremely excited about eating. Preposition, a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence. Examples include on, in, under. Prepositions in a sentence. John is hiding under the table. The dog is in the house. My keys are on the table. Conjunction, a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses. Examples include and, but, because. Conjunctions in a sentence. John likes eating and sleeping. She is lazy but talented. I need to buy medicine because I'm sick. Interjection, a word or phrase that expresses strong emotion or exclamation. Examples include wow, ouch, oh no. Interjections in a sentence. Wow, you won the contest. Ouch, you bumped into me. Oh no, I left the stove open. Learning about the 8 parts of speech is important because it builds a solid grammar foundation that improves your writing, speaking, and overall English understanding. As a non-native speaker, I can attest to how important English is. You can talk to people of different nationalities and express your opinions to a wider audience. Here is a picture of me competing in a speech tournament where I spoke in front of a large crowd. You too can definitely do that. That is all. Thank you for watching.